Welcome back to a new vlog, guys. Hindi pa ako tapos mag-makeup. Watching Drop Dead Diva while having breakfast. By Delicious Diet again. So we have this parang sandwich with banana, no? Yummy. Then Mark squeezed some orange juice for me. I'm wearing the watch from Esprit. It's so nice. I don't usually wear silver, pero maganda naman siya. Medyo loose lang ng konti kasi maliit yung wrist ko. Pero di ba, Bobby, mabilis lang ito paayos pag ganyan. Babawasan lang ng ano. This is my makeup look for today, guys. So I finished doing my makeup in about mga 10 minutes na nagmadali ako. Wifey is on her way. Let me show you lang yung makeup ko real quick. Wait, mag-ilaw tayo. There. Okay, so for my foundation, I used Cover Proof foundation from Wonder 2. And then lip color, I have something from Maybelline. And then I used the Wonder Gloss or Wonder Kiss. Wonder Brow for my brows, Maybelline mascara, K palette na eyeliner, and then this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing all black plus this jacket from Pen Shop. I'm wearing my Adidas Stan Smith Rita Ora. Tapos sobrang kalat na naman ng ano ko. I haven't found time to clean everything up, so later na lang siguro. Kasi today we have 4 events. Super dami at pinapawisan na ako. For my bag, ito yung gamit ko from Oxygen. I love it because it's really spacious. Ang dami kong malalagay. I'm now with Wifey. Ang aga namin. We have time. We have time to eat. Yay! Before yung event ng Sesa.
Yes!
We'll show you our pics later. Di ba mga bago ba yun? Bagong collection ng Sesa.
Susulitin natin, Wifey?
Hindi. Pakita lang natin.
Na-pressure ako bigla.
Andito kami ni Wifey sa St. Mark's Cafe. Since we're so early, Wifey, tell them kung ano narinig natin. Sabi ko, alien.
I am hearing alien noises. Feeling ko, well, sabi ni Wifey, pinagtitripan kami ng...
Parang chalk, di ba?
Oo.
Parang hinihypnotize tayo. Feel ko talaga.
Parang siyang feedback ng microphone na consistent.
Sakit! Feel ko talaga gawa ng government to. Kasi kanina parang nag-zone out ako. No. Kailangan i-fight mo siya. Kailangan i-fight mo. Diba? Parang nakakaano. Cray. So I'm having matcha latte and then choco crow, and then si Wifey merong bacon croissant and then something latte. Look at the souffle. Hi, Mom. Hi, Shalane! Okay, meron lang i-launch si Sesa Skin, no?
Yeah,
Sesa Skin. So, ano itong mga to?
This
Cute!
is the coffee soap.
Wow, coffee soap. Ang cute. Bakit, bro? Para isampay siyang ganito.
Yeah, so diba yung slippage mo pag nasa beach ka, ganyan, para hindi siya mahulog sa floor. And then they're made from coconut and aloe.
Parang minty siya.
And minty. So after effect of everything sa Sesa Skin, it's
parang cooling effect, no? Meron ding coffee biscuit. So, it's a scrub, no?
It's a scrub. It's sugar scrub.
Wow.
And then...
So, lahat all natural yung ingredients niya?
Yeah, all natural.
Ooh, coconutty. What's your favorite, Marge, na soap?
Actually, she had the previous collection. Yun yung mas gusto ko. But she phased it out na. Sabi niya better daw to. Well, usually recommends the coffee one. I haven't tried it. But I tried the older one. So whatever you want.
Okay. Flat lay area. Nakita ko sa inyo yung mga ano. Although you can see everything sa website nila. I'll have the link in the information box. Ang ganda ng mga colors, oh. Makes you so excited for summer. This is the design. That's so cute. Ooh.
You can smell the truffle.
That's so cool. Souffle. Si Wifey, super concentrate. Wifey.
Hindi nga ako nagko-concentrate. I don't know what I'm doing.
Now you're at the second event, guys. So this is for Watson's at La Creperie in Makati. So, mahal yung Uber kanina. Research, pero yun. Meron kami parang coloring set. Tapos later on, we'll find out yung mga new products ng Watson's. Paris fragrances. Si Wifey nag-register. We got a loot pack from Sesa. I'll upload this or I'll show it to you kung ano yung nasa loob mamaya. And Chantier, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, pero available in Watsons. So, what is this? Lotion. No, it's not lotion. It's a serum. Parfum serum. So, parang Perfume siya in a serum in one. Double moisture. Triple whitening. Antibacterial care. Triple whitening. We have light and fresh. And then we have double moisture. So it also comes in yung mga squeezable bottles. Ganito. Or squeezable tubes. Then we have, ano to girl? Parfum, Dio Mist. Wow, deodorant mist. That's cool. Nice. And then of course, meron tayo yung fragrances nila. Here. Ang ganda ng lagayan. That's so cute. We're now here at the Zenza's event, guys. Dito kami sa Vanilla Cupcake Bakery. Everyone's here. And then, meron silang mga bago. Oh my god, mga home spray. I'm so excited. Perfect for the apartment. Oh my gosh, ginger and orange blossom.
We have a diffuser. We have a humidifier actually in the patio because there are a lot of mosquitoes. So we use the citronella scent. And it really wards off the mosquitoes. And for our room, it's the lavender scent. For our, ang dami naming diffusers sa bahay. And that's why I think diffusers are very, very important. Especially if you're working hard and when you get home, you just want to relax. You want your home to smell.
Then we're having tea. Tapos na kami mag-photo-photo. Ito, yung mga bigay ng Zenzas. I'll do a haul later on. Hi, Tara! Tina! Ayan, si Wifey! Finally, si Joyce. Hi, Joyce! Kim! Shebs! May food again. Lahat ng events today, my food. I'm super yellow, pero we're here sa Yabu. We're gonna try out the new dishes. Thank you so much to Yabu! They're gonna serve this one. Buta Kakuni Don. It is basically pork belly. Pork belly yata, right? Braised pork belly cubes pala. Oh, yum. And the Buta Koroke. Rice ball siya na meron ding pork belly inside. I'm with Kim and Joyce! Kim ordered the mozzarella sticks. Here is the koroke tamago. So good! Laki! Sa picture, share natin. May soup na kami and then yung cabbage. Kamusta, Kim? Okay. Yummy. Favorite ko to. Yung tamago tayo natin para masarap. Joyce, Kim! Look at that! Picturean.
Nag-aanuhan kayo.
Yummy! The best way to eat this daw is to break it apart tapos mix mo with the sauce. Sarap siya! Isang dish, guys. Yummy! Karaoke balls. We're done eating. Super sarap lahat. Anong favorite niya? Yung rice or itong karaoke balls? Rice. Finally home, guys. Now it's time to film videos before I go ahead and edit. Si Mark hindi pa nakaka-uwi. Nag-sit-in siya sa class ng isang director nila. This is the aftermath of me filming a PR kit opening video. Pero I'm so happy kasi nakahanap ako ng makeup na pwede kong gamitin for tomorrow. Wait lang. Saan na yun? Kasi bukas na yung ano namin, yung futuristic futuristic na party for Influence Asia. Sorry, sobrang kalat. Aayusin ko yan mamaya. Before yan. Ah, yay! May silver dito. Yan, si Mark nag-sit-in kanina saan? Sa...
Film class at
ano name ng director nyo? Ano name ng director?
Si Direk Bernard.
Bernard.
Dakanay.
Wow. Ayan, it's perfect for tomorrow. Anyway, we're gonna end the vlog na. Mag-aayos pa ako and then we're gonna edit. So, see you tomorrow. Bye! Say bye-bye to Mark. Bye, Booby. Night.